Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Today we are planting some horseradish. You know I like trying new things, and so today we are going to get some horseradish root in the ground. I ordered this through the mail, just received it a couple of days ago. I wasn't prepared for it because I thought it was coming in May. So looking at the root, I should have had it in the ground a couple of days ago, but this is the first opportunity I had to get my site prepared and work on this. So that's what we're going to do today. Well, first up, horseradish has the ability to spread, so I don't want it near the rest of the garden. So I have this box that I located, this raised bed box that I located on the homestead property, and my goal is to get this cleaned out, and we're going to put the horseradish in here, so if it does decide to try and spread a little bit, it won't be a big deal. Now, part of the issue is, you can see here we've got some limbs down. All of this fell down during one of our last windstorms, and this box has clearly not been used for quite a while because it's full of weeds. So we're going to prepare the site and get that horseradish in the ground. Very possible this bed was used for strawberry plants before. I see some pretty nice looking roots here, so I think we'll relocate this to a different bed or maybe to a pot for now. Wasn't expecting this to look as good as it does, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and trim the grass around the outside, and we'll add a little bit of fresh compost and soil to the top, and then I think we're ready to plant. All right, so I think the bed is pretty much prepared, about as good as we're gonna be able to make it today. And so now we're ready to plant the horseradish root. My understanding is there are a few different ways that you can go about planting this. the one that looks most appealing and like it's going to work the best for me would be the method that involves planting it kind of in a trough at a 45-degree angle. We know that the top part where we're gonna see leaves and shoots coming out needs to go up at the top, and then the narrower portion of the root's gonna go towards the bottom. So that's how we're gonna go ahead and plant these today. Able to give them a little more generous spacing. Since I have 5, I did 3 in my first row, 2 in the back row, and I'm going to cover that up with about 2 to 3 inches of soil. I'm really happy with how that turned out, and I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. All right, there you have it. I'm really excited for this horseradish and seeing how it does. I know last year I really enjoyed horseradish sauce on Reubens, and you can put it on other meats, vegetables, all kinds of different things. It's supposed to store well, so I think it'll be a great addition to the pantry, and we'll see how things go. We've got some rain coming in, so I'm not gonna worry about watering these guys. We'll just let them be, and I'll keep you updated as we go throughout the course of the year. Bye everyone.